Morning, Monday morning. Just finished a little workout, heading downtown to pick up some big Pelican cases so we can ship drones to customers today. So talk about just-in-time delivery. So hope everybody has a good one. See ya. Oh, they fit with no room to spare. We got 2 cases. Woohoo! So recently, I've been getting asked whether or not I'm still shooting, like with these guys, going on sets and filming movies and things like that. So really, I'm not. I haven't done that in a few months. I miss it a little bit, but I do have a full respect for anybody who goes and shoots movies and such for a living. You guys are out there on set and flying drones every day, day in and day out. That's a rough life. It's very rewarding. It's very cool. But man, with the traveling and the inconsistencies with shooting and production changes and stuff, that's a rough life, but mad props to you guys. But the cool thing is that I can now take what I have learned from doing that for 7 to 10 years with Jordy Klein at XCam Aerials. So I can take what I learned from all those years of doing that and being on set every day and shooting with my engineering background in design and manufacturing. Then I can put together custom packages and drones for the professionals who are out there shooting every single day. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make packages and high-end drones, either for cinematography or LiDAR or whatever else it is, that when these guys get the drone, it's made like for them, it's gonna hold up on set, and it's coming from a pilot's perspective. So that's how I look at everything. But having said all that, I think it's still very important for me to make it out to some sets and be on set and be at the shooting location every once in a while, just to kind of re-energize myself, stay current with what's out there with cameras or sensors. So that's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to try to hit a few shoots a year if I can, but beyond that, I'm just going to be wrenching and putting stuff together. So we've got a brand new Pelican case and some custom cut foam. So we're going to insert the foam into the case. And it fits like a glove. I gotta lean on it. Cool. We just gotta push it in there for a precise fit. Perfecto! Pretty happy with that. Chargers, cables, and such. So we got the drone in the case. Fits right in. Gotta put the lid on it. Shipping out. All right, so we're gonna go play Santa, FedEx, then we have a nice meeting with more drone people. Lots of drone people up here. Hope everyone is having a good one. Good boy. Good boy. Boop. So I'm kind of running out of room in my connectors tackle box, my little fishing tackle box. So we have to upgrade to a bigger one. Woohoo! Look at this. These are nice. Last minute run to FedEx. before they close. Hope we make it. We made it. Success.